we are at the Alaska Range looking at Denali at 20,320 feet above sea level. It is the highest mountain in North America. And this mountain's height owes itself to Alaska's interesting geologic history. I had a professor who once called Alaska the Great Plate Parking Lot because the way most of the bedrock here has formed is because of a subduction zone to our south. Now, subduction is where you have one plate and then you have another plate that is sinking underneath that first plate. And sometimes that subducting plate brings pieces of crust called terrains that can't sink into the Earth's mantle, and so they get stuck, they get rammed on to the edge of the continent. And we call those things terrains. And so what happened to create Denali? Well, first of all, Denali's bedrock is granite that's about 60 million years old. And so 60 million years ago, it was a magma chamber feeding volcanoes above it. And that would be being deep, deep underground. But over time, we have that subduction zone to the south bringing terrains, and as those terrains smack into Alaska, it buckles and builds up the crust, and we've had quite a bit, well, a lot, thousands and thousands of feet of uplift there, building up Denali. Now, its most recent time of uplift began something like 5-6 million years ago, and it continues today. Every year, Denali rises half a millimeter, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in just my lifetime, it's risen about that much. And now just think about how much it can still rise in geologic time.